woodcutter chopping down the tree?
Very good. Is the woodcutter chopping down the tree? Okay, the negative question.
Isn't the woodcutter chopping down the tree?
Isn't the woodcutter chopping down the tree? Okay, look at number 9. The daisies are blooming beautifully. So what is the positive question?
Are
Are
the daisies blooming beautifully?
beautifully. Okay, so the negative question.
And the
Daisies
daisies bloom beautifully.
blooming beautifully. Okay, next, number 10. The students are revising their lesson. So what is the positive question?
Are the students revising their lesson?
Revising. Are the students revising their lessons? So what is the negative question?
And the students
Revising.
revising their lesson?
Aren't the students revising their lessons? Okay, next, number 11. The player is bouncing the ball. So what is the positive question?
Is
Is
the player bouncing the ball?
is the player bouncing the ball? The negative question.
Isn't the player bouncing the ball?
Bouncing the ball. Very good. Isn't
Uh,
the player
Isn't
bouncing the ball?
bouncing?
Very good. Okay, next, number 12. They are decorating their classroom. So what is the positive question?
Are they decorating their classroom?
Are they
And and they decorating their classroom?
very good? Aren't they decorating their classroom? Okay. Can copy the answers.